Hello guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. So on my way back from Umuahia, I decided to branch, to a community here in Ubakala because this area is called Apiri Ubakala, and the white fence you are seeing, that's the fence of the Umuahia South local government headquarters. So this is Umuahia South LGA, the headquarters, and I'm going to a community here in Ubakala called Umuogo. And the reason why I'm going to this community is because I heard that there is a road construction. I actually saw when that road construction started. I think early this year or within late last year. I'm not so sure. But I'm going to take you guys to Umuogo community, and this is the entrance of the community. And the road you are seeing from the entrance getting inside, it was recently constructed. So on the entrance, should I call that a gate? And there's an inscription on it written, "Oh, welcome to Umuogo community." So this road I'm flying on right now was recently constructed. But let's get to the end and see how far they got, if the road was completed or if the construction is still ongoing. But actually, the essence of this video is to show you how this road connects to a major highway. The government is really doing a good job connecting roads that lead to major highways in Umuahia, in Abia state. So this particular road leads to ENUGU PORTHARCOURT expressway. So if you are from Umuogo and you are traveling, you're coming back, let's say from Port Harcourt or let's say from Enugu, and you don't want to drive through the Apiri side, there's still another road that is just very close to the express where you can drive into your community from. If the first time you're tuning into my channel, you're highly welcome. I really appreciate you all for always making our chance to watch my videos. So this road, I don't know if it's the local government or the state government that, are constructing this road that you are seeing here. But whichever level or tier of government that is constructing this road, kudos to them because they are really doing a very good job. Like, who knew that a road inside a community like this will be constructed one day? We are hoping also my own community in Olokoro will look on it. I want to come do road for us. I beg. We used to go beg on the same thing when I do for Bakala. I want to come do and for Olokoro, for Machata Olokoro, when I come do and for us. So as you can see, this community now has a very good road leading from the entrance of the community, and if you're even going to the outskirts, because we are going to the outskirts of the community, that can still serve as an entrance depending on which direction you are coming from. So you can see that this particular area of the road, this part, they have not done the final work, which is the asphalt. But you can see for yourself that the road is just in the final stages. So hopefully very soon they are going to tar this area. And this is a beautiful, calm community in Ubakala. Ubakala is located in Umuahia South local government area, just very close to Olokoro, close to Umuahia. You can get to Ubakala. If you just get to Ishikot, you can get a tricycle going down to Ubakala. The moment you get to Apiri, there is a junction very close to the police station there that will lead you into Umuogo community. So I'm going to show you where this road connects to ENUGU PORTHARCOURT Express Road. So just keep watching and you will see where the connection, is. So this is where this road in Umuogo connects to the ENUGU Portharcourt expressway. The road you are seeing right here, that's this ENUGU Portharcourt expressway. On the left side, it's going to take you to Ubakala Junction and then Abia. This other side is going to take you to Abia Tower, and if you keep going down, it's going to take you to Okigwe and then by extension Enugu. So